Do you want to start a side hustle that earns $500 or more per day? Are you looking for ways to automate tasks and quickly create high-quality content for your business? If so, then this video is for you. I'm going to reveal 10 game-changing AI tools that can help you launch a profitable $500 per day side hustle faster and easier than you ever thought possible. These AI-powered tools help you generate written content, create stunning designs, translate text, produce videos, summarize books, transcribe audio, and more in seconds. They automate the busy work so you can focus on money-making activities. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. And I'll include links in the description of this video if you want to check out these AI tools in more detail. Number 9. Jasper. What is it? Jasper is an AI writing assistant created by a Y Combinator-backed tech company based in Austin, Texas. Jasper can generate everything from blog posts to emails to website copy based on just a few prompts from you. How can you make money? There are a lot of AI tools that can create content for you. Even ChatGPT can do this. So what makes Jasper unique is that the tool is specifically trained for creating high-converting marketing content. For example, they even have a feature called Integrated Marketing Campaigns, which allows you to create social media posts, blogs, ads, videos, plus more from one input. So you can sell money by offering copywriting services specifically tailored for businesses that need help with creating marketing content and ads. Even just one client a month will allow you to earn $1 to $2K per month very quickly. And best of all, Jasper AI does most of the work. Number 8. Surfer AI. What is it? Surfer is another excellent AI writing assistant for side hustle content creation. What makes Surfer unique is that it doesn't just create content. It creates content that is optimized for search engines. How can you make money? At the time of recording this video, Surfer allows you to create 2,000-word articles at the click of a button which are search engine friendly for only $29. You can also get a discount for writing each article if you buy article writing credits in bulk. Making money with Surfer is easy. Businesses will pay a lot of money for high-quality search engine optimized articles. The average cost of a 2,000-word search engine optimized article is about $200 to $500 per article. So if Surfer charges you $29 to create an article, you can resell this to other businesses for $200 to $500 and keep the profit for yourself. Number 7. Canva. What is it? One of the most popular AI design tools for side hustlers is Canva. Canva makes graphic design quick and easy. It provides templates, fonts, images, and illustrations that you can drag and drop to create beautiful designs and graphics for both digital and print projects. Recently, Canva introduced a suite of AI-powered design tools that can speed up your workflow or enhance your creativity. Some of the AI features available to all users for free include text-to-image, magic edit, magic design, presentations, and beat sync. Canva's AI component, Magic Write, is an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you create drafts, inspire you with creative ideas, and generate long or short-form written content for your social media posts, blog articles, and presentations. Canva's AI image-generating apps can help you create the exact visual you need by entering your words. Canva customizable templates and easy-to-use interface make the design more accessible to non-designers. How can you make money? You can make money with Canva by offering graphic design services. There are hundreds of different design services you can offer, including logos, YouTube thumbnails, blog images, flyers, business cards, and more. You can use Canva templates and Canva AI to create these designs, even if you don't have any design experience. Number 6. Headway. What is it? Headway is an AI audiobook summarizer that analyzes non-fiction audiobooks and provides short summaries of the key takeaways. How can you make money? There's no denying that the more you know about business, productivity, and personal finance, the more money you'll be able to make. But if you're looking for a side hustle, chances are you're busy. You don't have time to read all the books on business, marketing, finance, and more. So, as a busy side hustler, you can use Headway to quickly get the core insights from audiobooks related to your niche in just 15 minutes, instead of listening to the full 10-plus hour book. This saves time and helps fuel new ideas and content. Headway has a subscription service that gives you access to summaries across a wide range of business, marketing, productivity, and other non-fiction genres. It's a useful tool for absorbing knowledge without the time commitment of reading full-length books. Number 5. Deeple. What is it? Deeple is a top AI translation tool that uses neural networks to translate text between 10 languages with over 90% accuracy. How can you make money? Deeple allows you to easily translate your website, blog, email campaigns, product listings, documents, and more into multiple languages to reach international audiences. The free version provides unlimited text translations up to 5,000 characters per month. Paid plans unlock additional features like document translation. Deeple is a useful tool for side hustlers looking to expand their global reach. So if you have a business, you can make money by offering services in other languages. Or you can make money by providing translation services to other businesses that want to expand their services to other countries or languages. Number 4. Grammarly. What is it? Grammarly's generative AI features provide writing assistance by offering pre-written prompts to help users get started on writing assignments. Unlike other AI writing tools which only create content, Grammarly is specifically designed to improve your content using AI. How can you make money? You can offer Grammarly's AI content improvement features to business owners who want to improve the writing on their website, blog, or books. Or you can combine Grammarly with other tools to easily improve all the writing you produce, including blog posts and articles, product descriptions, emails and newsletters, sales and marketing copy, social media posts, online course curriculum, and more. Number 3. Well-Said Labs. What is it? This innovative company is revolutionizing synthetic media with its groundbreaking text-to-speech technology. Well-Said Labs uses advanced AI to generate stunningly human-like voices from real human recordings. The result is synthetic speech that captures all the emotion, emphasis, and nuance of natural speech, indistinguishable from the real thing. How can you make money? With Well-Said Labs, you can create custom voice avatars for your brand that sound completely authentic. Choose from a wide variety of male and female voices, then fine-tune the delivery to match your content needs. The process is simple. Just type or paste your script into Well-Said Studio. Use everyday language to direct the AI, and your custom voice will read the script aloud with perfect accuracy. Make changes and play it back instantly until you achieve exactly the sound you want. Number 2. Muar. What is it? Muar is a platform that uses AI and music producers to generate unlimited royalty-free music. The platform aims to democratize the creator economy by empowering creators. Muar has a marketplace called Muar Orders, where sound designers and musicians can upload sounds and earn revenue. But how can you make money with it? Muar offers opportunities for artists, musicians, and producers to monetize their skills. For example, Muar Render allows artists to earn per sample or royalty. Muar also partners with organizations like Skillbox for courses on commercial samples. Creators can make money by producing samples and loops, a growing trend. By uploading samples and participating in royalty distribution, creators can explore collaborations and paid orders. The Muar Orders marketplace also allows creators to upload sounds and earn. Number 1. Artsmart.ai. What is it? This revolutionary AI-powered visual asset generator lets you create stunning images, textures, and more that you can actually profit from. Artsmart makes it simple for anyone to generate production-quality assets with its user-friendly interface. Whether you're an artist, designer, developer, or just exploring your creative side, you can bring your visions to life faster than ever before. How can you make money? Artsmart isn't just a creative playground, it can also be a source of income. The assets you create with Leonardo.ai are 100% yours, so you're free to use them however you wish, including selling them. Many creators are already monetizing their Leonardo.ai creations on stock image sites, print-on-demand platforms, NFT marketplaces, and more. The possibilities are endless when you have a constant flow of unique, eye-catching designs at your fingertips. So there you have it, 9 amazing AI tools that can help you start a $500 per day side hustle. Each of these tools leverages artificial intelligence to automate important tasks, create high-quality content, and take your business to the next level. And if you'd like to learn more ways to make passive income, be sure to watch this video on your screen right now, and I'll see you on the other side.